Good morning students, this is Neha, your mathematics teacher. So today we are going to study about the construction of the quadrilateral, in which three sides of the quadrilateral means the measure of three sides and the two included angles are given. So 15.4 exercise is based upon this topic. Okay, so here is first question from your 15.4 exercise. Construct a quadrilateral FUAC fuse in which FU is 5.2 centimeter, US is 4.6 centimeter, SC is 5.8 centimeter, and two angles, that is angle U and angle S, are given. Angle U is of measure 30° and angle S is of measure 150°. So first of all we will draw the rough sketch. But see that the included angles are given at U and S. So we will try to take the baseline as US, because at U we can make this angle 30°, at S we can make this angle 150° with the help of the D. Okay, so let us just draw the rough sketch. Suppose if I am taking US here as 4.6 centimeter, at U I will make the angle of 30°. But this is only a rough sketch. Okay, that's why I am making it like this. At S we will make the angle 150°. So it will be around like this. After that you can see the two sides are also given, SE and FU. So from U I will open the arc of 5.2 centimeter. Okay, so it will be F and FU is 5.2 centimeter. Then SC is given, so from S I will open the arc of radius 5.8 centimeter and I will draw the arc like this, and it will be vertex E, that is SE 5.8 centimeter, and in the last we will join the angles. Okay, now let's just draw the fair sketch. So first step, draw the US 4.6 centimeter, here it is, here we go. So name it US 4.6 centimeter. Now at U make the angle of 30°, use the D, join the baseline with the baseline, and here we have 30°. But when the vertex is as left we will see the lower scale. So here it is 30. Okay, so now join it and name this ray as UX. (30°) and let's just name it as UX. Now at S make the angle 150°, join the baseline. Now for 150, since the vertex is at right, so we will see the upper scale. At the upper scale, where is 150? Here it is 150. Point it out and then join the line and name this ray as SY. Done. Okay, now see that. Now two sides are left. FU is 5.2 centimeter and US is SC is 5.6 centimeter. So first we will draw FU. So from U we will open the compass of 5.2 centimeter and mark the arc. So use the ruler and the compass very carefully. Here it is 5.2. Okay, so taking U as the center, mark the arc of radius 5.2 centimeter. Done. Name this vertex as F. FU is 5.2 centimeter. Now from S we have to draw the arc of radius 5.8. So open the compass of 5.8 centimeter. You can see that it's 5.8. Taking S as the center, here we have 5.8. Name this vertex as E, since SE is 5.8 centimeter. Now the last step is join the vertex E with F. So here we have, so this is our quadrilateral whose measurements are as follows. Okay, so you can see that in your 15.4 exercise all the questions are related to this concept, in which 3 sides are given and 2 included angles are given. Okay, so all the questions of this exercise are based upon this concept. So just try to solve the questions, and if you face any difficulty you can ask. Thank you very much.